You can order the side view mirror used in the video on the CarParts.com website through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. To change your car's side view mirror, you have to take off the door trim. Using a plastic fork, remove the plastic covering the side view mirror's retaining nuts. Then, using the same tool, remove the plastic cover located in the door handle hole. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the retaining screw from the inner door panel. Using the fork, lift up the electric window and side mirror controls. Then, disconnect them by pressing the tab. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Using a small flathead screwdriver, remove the 7 push-pin rivet fasteners from the inner door panel. Pull on the door handle trim to remove it. You can now remove the door panel by lifting it off the top track. Using a small flathead screwdriver, disconnect the electrical connector from the side view mirror by pressing the tab. Then, pry on the side view mirror power cable retaining clip using the fork. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 3 retaining nuts from the side view mirror. Take off the side view mirror. You can order the side view mirror used in the video on the CarParts.com website through the link in the description. Remove the rubber protectors. Take the new side view mirror. Insert the side view mirror into its housing. Remember to thread the power cable through the hole provided for it. Then, screw the 3 nuts back in, by hand at first. Finish off tightening with a ratchet. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. You can take the cable retaining clip from the old side view mirror. Then, put the clip back in place. Plug the electrical connector back in. Now you can put the door panel back on, being careful to make sure that the entire trim is resting against the door as you put it on. Don't forget to pass the door lock latch through the trim. Check that the trim has been put back correctly. Put the door handle trim back on. Screw back the screw located in the handle. Then, replace the plastic cover. Put the 7 push-pin rivet fasteners in place. Reconnect the power to the electric window and side mirror controls. Then, put them back in place. Reinstall the plastic that covers the side view mirror retaining nuts. Operation complete.